Ever wanted to invest without stressing about stock picking or market timing? That's exactly where Robo advisors come in. They automatically manage your investments based on your goals and risk level, making investing simple, even for beginners. Today, we're looking at the top 5 Robo advisors in the UK. Let's quickly break down what makes each one unique so you can choose the best fit for your money. First up, Octopus Money. What makes it different? It combines technology with human financial coaching. So instead of just investing, you also get guidance on things like savings, pensions, and long-term planning. Best for people who want both automation and personal financial advice. Next is Invest Engine, known for its low fees and flexibility. You can either let it manage your portfolio or build your own using ETFs with zero management fees. Best for investors who want control but still prefer a simple platform. At number 3, we have Moneybox, perfect for beginners. Its standout feature? Roundups. It invests your spare change from everyday purchases automatically. Plus, it offers ISAs and pensions too. Best for anyone starting small and wanting effortless investing. Next is Money Farm. This platform focuses on actively managed portfolios, meaning experts adjust your investments regularly. It also offers ethical and sustainable investing options. Best for investors who want expert management and value-based investing. Finally, Nutmeg, one of the most established robo-advisors in the UK. It offers multiple portfolio styles and full transparency on your investments. Best for both beginners and experienced investors who want reliability and choice. So here's a quick recap. Choose Octopus Money for financial coaching. Pick Invest Engine for low fees and flexibility. Go with Moneybox if you're just starting out. Select Money Farm for active and ethical investing. And consider Nutmeg for a trusted all-round platform.